So team number 7 is virtual human agent, the technology that makes your space smarter by utilizing AI. Everybody please give a big round of applause.
Hi everyone. I came from Tokyo. Today I introduce our product called Connectome and talk about how it changed our real world and using AI and blockchain. My company Couger is a Tokyo-based startup, and we have technology combining AI, AR, and blockchain. Yes, we will have many devices will be connected automatically in future, such as smart connected car and smart city and smart home. And we call this environment smart space. Connectome is the decentralized AI, AR, VR, blockchain gateway for smart space. And in order to make it happen, trust is very important for many devices working together. So we are thinking, we are challenging to solve the problem using blockchain. And also, user interface is transforming, from PC and smartphone, and now you guys using a smart speaker, right? So the user interface will be changed more in few years. And we believe the next generation interface will be virtual human agent. So let me show you the demo. There is an agent. She realizes the person real time and connected to the appliance. And she can talk with the person. And now she is coming to AR space now. And she realized the chair in real time, and you can see the rectangle. It is she is recognized object detection in real time, and also detects the person. They're asking what are you doing. And she responds from human. And also, she is walking towards to the person in virtual space. Yes, this is a virtual human agent, and as you see, this virtual human has a sense, visual, and auditory, and recognize space and object, and also speak seamlessly, respond in real time, and also have emotion. And in this system, the point is every video data and audio data is stored to blockchain. So input data is sharing safely. And this is of course the AI. So we all have the big issue about AI. This is the reliability of AI. Yes, you guys know this news, right? Suddenly, Alexa is laughing and very creepy. But the point is, nobody knows how Alexa went to this kind of AI. It's black box and centralized, and we want to change it, make transparency. And this is an overview about AI growth history and AI execution history into blockchain. And we have three kind of nodes. One is AI model and AI runs node. And next one is file system node. It's for IPFS. And third one is Ethereum node to collect every transaction on blockchain. So we think the point is if you create the AI, but how can you trust the AI? So we are working on the trace its growth history, how, when, and who. That's the point. And let me show you the demo. You can pick up the project, and AI is combined from data set and the algorithm, and so we can create the AI model from now. And this is the Python script algorithm, and now we will show you the demo to create the AI model safely. And now now training the data to create the AI model. Create it. And once you create the data model, you can sign using your private key. And this means the AI model is that the official user, official owner is you. It is proved. It is the point. And also, we have the evaluation system, evaluation tool from this one. So after you made the AI model, you can check the AI performance. And all evaluation and all learning process is stored to blockchain. And we think we should create the world where we can trust AI in that way. Because I think AI will be everywhere. So that's the point, this project. And now we are collaborating with the company, top share smart glass company, ODG, and also second largest telecom company, KDDI. And we are working with POC about AI, AR, and blockchain right now. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Very impressive presentation. Now we're going to open up to our judges.
Yes, this is undoubtedly very powerful technologies you're working with. The question I've got is, to what extent have you thought about using incentives, tokenized incentives, to reward good learning for the AI system and to penalize malicious learning?
Test. Okay. That's the thing what we are working on right now. But like we are thinking about doing some AI marketplace for using this, or using the AI characters. So like maybe we can do like AI character market as well.
And how far away do you think you are from being able to do a proof of concept on that incentivized AI?
Well, we are thinking we are thinking about doing this before August, because currently those AI nodes are running on the AWS on the cloud, but as long as we can make it like decentralized way as much as possible, we try to release the products for artists.
Thank you.
Cool. So definitely incentivizing like good, models is one thing. I'm curious if you're doing like asset ownership. What exactly do you see Ethereum doing in this project for this project?
Okay. First, we tried to create only using the Ethereum blockchain, but since we gotta use the data set and the AI model, which is a very huge data, so we try to combine together with the IPFS node, which can store a large amount of data. So like once we get our hash from the IPFS, we combine together to the Ethereum nodes. That's how we try to do.
What's the biggest challenge that you think you have in the next 2 months?
Obviously, data security, and what else? Oh yeah, we try to figure out the way to combine together those AIs. So that's what we are working on.
Yeah, we are thinking the combining maybe different AI and can track how AI is combining it, just like DNA. We want to working on. That point is the drone or self-driving car or robots, and AI will be everywhere. So I think we can trace the growth history and maybe the DNA about AI, for example.
Is this stuff like open source, and what is your kind of governance / monetization, or what are the incentives here?
We try to do open source, obviously, and also I don't know, whoever who created a better AI model, he get paid kind of business model.
Will that happen? Yes, I can understand. Whoever creates a good AI experience should get paid by the users. But what about building the platform? I mean, that's different from the experience itself. How will you get paid for developing the platform?
That's something we gotta work on.
Okay, fair enough.
Very good question.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Another question, if I may. You're working with virtual human agents, but what about applying this to other areas like autonomous vehicles, self-driving vehicles? How difficult would it be to apply what you're learning and developing to something else?
Because right now, there is one issue about the OS model, because once we run those virtual human agent, like for 5-10 minutes, the device is gonna be really, really hot. That's kind of a problem right now. So, and also transaction speed is gonna be the next step to solve this problem.
My question is more or less on the hardware side of things, because you're relying on hardware companies, phone companies, maybe computers, specifically mobile if it's AR. What's your takes on how much battery life do these applications drain when it comes to these mobile devices?
Maybe 1 hour, something. But yes, as I said, we are working with ODG companies making the smart glass, and we are testing the latest model, and it works well. So maybe it's getting better. I think.
Thank you so much. Cool, thank you. This presentation reminds me of what I saw on Twitter. I don't know if you guys saw this, but I don't know if it was Hong Kong, but somewhere in Asia, they revealed some kind of spinning 3D hologram thing. Anyone saw that? It reminded me of the movie like Blade Runner, or even like the newest Blade Runner, like these big 3D holograms. So the future is really interesting. Let me put it that way.